The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a tornado warning for Sibley County, McLeod County, northeastern Renville County, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:58 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located near Buffalo Lake, or 19 miles southwest of Hutchinson, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. A tornado has been confirmed by trained weather spotters earlier with this storm. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Stewart around 7:05 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Hutchinson and Silver Lake. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.